If you're going to check out which is king of the networking, the companies that are going to provide networks, Cisco is still number one company. Because if you are good at those all concepts, rather from book knowledge to theoretical as well as good practical knowledge, that would be a great plus to you to crack this job. And one more thing you need to look about is that you must have a CGP of for the second round. There was like a video solution challenge that you need to record a video and you need to submit to them. So video solution challenge would be of something like, and one more thing I can say for you is that what is the preparation strategies that we need to follow. For the preparation strategies, hello everyone, welcome to Edist. Today we're going to look about another hiring alert, that is for all the 2022 pass outs. Cisco is going to hire for the role of software engineer interns for the 2022 pass outs. So we're going to quickly look about three things about this hiring alert. First, we're going to look about the company, and second thing, we're going to look about the eligibility criteria and all the selection process. And the third thing, we're going to look about what are the preparation strategies that is needed to crack this job. So let's not waste our time and quickly dive into the video. So before that, I'm going to share something with you. That is, if you do like our hiring alerts, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also do visit to edist.com/jobs. We're going to post a lot number of jobs there, and you can also find out those relevant jobs and you can apply them. And if you found this job is helpful to you, and you can also share those jobs to your friends. And so that's it guys, let's dive into the video. So that was a great news for everyone, that is Cisco is going to hire for you for the role of software engineer internship. And one thing you need to keep in note is that the registration is going to close by July 22. So please apply ASAP so that you not run into late and rush back later. And to check about the registration link, you can pause the video for a while and you can check the QR code out there. Once you scan there, it will directly take you or redirect you to the registration link, or else you can always check the link in the description. That will take you to the correct registration link. Before going to that, let's look a bit about the company. As if you don't know about Cisco Systems is an American multinational technology. It was headquartered in San Jose of California. And Cisco, if you go and search in Google, Cisco is the worldwide leader in the networking stream that transforms how people are going to connect nowadays and communicate and also collaborate. And at the other side, Cisco develops, manufactures and also sells networking hardware, software, telecommunication equipment and other high technology services. And also its products are also very famous. And though it has numerous acquired subsidiaries such as OpenDNS, WebEx, Jabber and Jasper, you may use WebEx for a lot of time. And also Cisco is specialized in specific tech markets such as Internet of Things, domain security and also energy management. So you can look about the revenue of the company. It was around like $49 billion and it was started in the year of 1984. So that was a quick intro about the company. So I hope everyone knew, like if you're going to check out which is king of the networking, the companies that are going to provide networks, Cisco is still number one company. So let me quickly look into the eligibility criteria. This job is all for 2022 pass outs, those who are currently pursuing a bachelor's or a master's degree in related stream and should be of computer science or information technology background student, and they must be of 2022 pass out. And you must be really proficient in either one of the languages like Golang, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Python and Node.js. And besides that, you must also definitely good with networking concepts like from basic to advanced level. Like you must be very much clear with the OSI models and how the networking is working in day-to-day life. And for example, if you people are watching this video, how networking is working here. If you are hearing to Spotify, how the network was going there, how was the IP address is going to change from one place to another place, and how securely these days internet has been working. Those, if you are good at those all concepts, rather from book knowledge to theoretical as well as good practical knowledge, that would be a great plus to you to crack this job. And also you must be good at development technologies like JIT or Jira. And also if you have a good command on database technologies, for example like Oracle, or also that would be brilliant if you're good at SQL, MongoDB. And for the NoSQL pattern, if you're good at MongoDB. And for coming to big data technologies like Hadoop or Snowflake, that would be exceptionally good. And you can also check about the other details if you are really good at the cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Cloud Run, or some container technologies like Native or Kubernetes, and that was really good. And one more thing you need to look about is that you must have a CGP of 8.0, and definitely you must be very good while applying to these multinational companies. You must be very good with your verbal communication and must be fluent with English, and the job location would be Bangalore in India. So let's quickly discuss about the expected pattern for this internship. So this expected pattern was like not real, but Cisco is going to keep on changing, but it was expected and anticipated pattern from our end, but don't think it as a complete pattern. So the rounds were as followed. The first round was a written test. It was having some MCQs, like around 20 to 30 MCQs, and also including some aptitude questions. Those 20 to 30 MCQs are a part of like it may be some code snippets, or mainly they are going to they're going to focus on networking concepts and also code snippets. So for that you can always check out the previous year papers. And one more thing, for the aptitude, you must be really good with your higher engineering math or also basic aptitude concepts. Don't worry about that. You can always check the previous year question papers. That would be really helpful for you to crack this written test. And after the written test, for the second round, there was like a video solution challenge that you need to record a video and you need to submit to them. The video solution challenge would be of something like, there was given three technologies like artificial intelligence or cloud computing or embedded systems like IoT. So based on using those three technologies, there was a certain use case that is going to given. So last year it was given as the COVID-19 situation. How do you face the COVID-19 situation wisely? By using the artificial intelligence technique. So that was an example from the last year pattern. So you need to expressively elaborate, and you need to record a video of yourself, and you need to say how was your ideology, and including the slides. You need to keep a slide, and you need to record the video, and you need to submit them, and they will evaluate based upon your technology grip and your innovation in the idea and also your communication. Those are the three criteria they're going to select. And here every round is an elimination round. So based upon your video round, you're going to move to the next round, and the next round consists of 20 to 30 MCQs. Again, there are some code snippets or networking questions, a lot of networking questions. They'll go into deep into networking questions. You can always go into Cisco NetAcad. There are some CCNA courses of basic to fundamental courses, so you can always complete them. That would be a great supplement for you to crack this job. And also, you must be good at any of the scripting language or any programming language. If Python or Java, that would be exceptionally good, or any other language that you really found comfortable at. You need to be very good at your code snippets, because the code snippets are very lengthy, and you must have a good logical skills while participating in that exam, because you need to balance both the time with good accuracy to stand top in the race. And after that, you will have one coding question, I hope so, one or two coding questions. The coding question was that was back into data structures. You must be good with your arrays or strings, linked list, and dynamic programming. So don't worry about that. We'll discuss about the preparation strategies and what are the materials that you need to do for cracking this job. So that was the pattern. And then after that, you will have an TR. The TR was completely technical, fluently technical. And after that, you will have a managerial round, and then HR. That's depend upon the panel members. And then you can land into your dream job. So that was a brief of this hiring pattern, that how it would happen. There was an expected pattern, by the way. And let me quickly take you to this portal that where you can apply this job, and I hope you can see this portal. So like as you can always go into edist.com/jobs. There you can find all relevant jobs. You can apply them, and you can share those jobs to your friend circle or your community people. This was the complete description of the job in the Edist portal. You can check out. You can go and read the complete description here, and the skills that is needed like C, C++, CSS, and GitHub. And you must also have a good resume and a good minor projects that you have done under your BTech. So that would be an add-on for you in the interview panel to impress them with your technical skills. And here you can always check out the suggested courses. These suggested courses will definitely help you to crack this course, and you can always go into Edist daily coding challenges. So in the daily coding challenges, we mainly focus on for these to crack these unicorn companies and also product-based companies. And our top mentors are available for you every day, and you can always seek good help from them, and our top qualified technical support is there for every time for you. And let me take you to this. When you click the link, this is the application link that where you're going to apply. So this was the application link and the job ID, everything you can see. If you're going to read much more about this job description and why Cisco and what all the things that were concluded, you can go and always happy to check out here. And one more thing I can say for you is that what is the preparation strategies that we need to follow. For the preparation strategies, please do check out in the description. I have given you the links for this Python programming, Java programming and Webmaster Bootcamp from edist.com. So that would be a great help for you, and definitely you can crack this job. So that's it guys, that's all from my end. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to mention in the comment down below in the comment section. I'll definitely try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you have any other queries, you can always reach out to these numbers here, and you can also text us on WhatsApp. Our technical support will be ready to help you at any case. And you can also reach our website, and you can also keep a mail to our support team. They will definitely happy to help you friendly. So that's it from our guys, and really thank you for joining me all this way till this video, and all the best. Keep up your preparation, hustle hard. Thank you. I'll be back with another hiring alert. Thank you.